Soyez les bienvenus, mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Did you know that la formation civique est obligatoire? And now it's obligatoire and you need to have an exams, okay? That's why I'm doing these videos for all of us. Parce que this one is formation civique et gratuit. Why? Because il faut savoir effectuer ces démarches administratives. Means know how to complete administration procedure. Okay? So this why démarche administrative. Okay? There's another question. Pourquoi la déclaration d'un décès est-elle obligatoire? Why is declaring a debt mandatory? Sorry for that. Okay. A. Pour établir l'acte de décès et organiser les démarches. That is to establish the death certificate and organize the necessary procedures. B. Pour obtenir un permis de conduire. Okay, to obtain a driver's license. C. Pour ouvrir un compte bancaire. To open a bank account. Someone is laughing. D. Pour voter aux élections. To vote in elections. Okay? What do you think? Is the answer. Pourquoi la déclaration d'un décès est-il obligatoire? We'll see the answer, please. Et la bonne réponse, c'est lettre A. A pour établir l'acte de décès et organiser les démarches. To establish the death certificate and organize procedures. OK? Justification. La déclaration de décès permet d'établir officiellement le décès, d'informer les organismes concernés et de réaliser les démarches nécessaires. Declaring a debt officially establishes the debt, informs the relevant organizations, and allows the necessary procedures to be carried out. Example, for the French people, if they die in the hospital will give already the details, and that details will go to the mairie, de la mairie qui donne the acte de décès officiellement. But if it is another nationality, example, Filipinos dying in France, they need first dying at home or anywhere. The acte de décès is done and is done by a funéraire. Funéraire po, yung the funéraire. They do all the documents. You will take someone to do all the documents. And these documents should be done by La Mairie. And then it will go first to the Philippine Embassy or any embassies. Okay? Okay? Because it depends on your nationality. And if you have approval, then you can go home. They go home either the whole or you do the cremation, and then you have the opportunity to bring that wherever you are. Okay, your wish either to go home in your own country or in here you can, because in here it's very expensive for that. Okay. Okay. So that is the acte de décès or death certificate here in France. And in France, if they say there that the defunt means the dead person will only be in crematorium. Crematorium because they are being preserved. It's not like example in Philippines, they preserve and they still rest at home. In France, no. You cannot do that here in France, and they are only in crematorium. You can have the visit in the crematorium, organized visit. It depends on the family. And then you will see only at the end for burial. If the ceremony for the burial is, then you will see or not. It depends on the family. Okay? It's not like, for example, in Philippines, there is a burial at home. People are gathered at home or a funeraria, funerar, and then you can visit or not. Okay? And here, no. Only the family or the friends, but not at home in the funeral or after. Only for enterrement, only when they go to funeral for burial. Okay? Enterrement. And I hope it's clear. It's so sad. Of course, if there is an acte de naissance, il y a aussi un acte de décès. That's life. If there's a beginning, there is always an end. And that is an end. Hope not. Okay? But we need to accept the reality. So that is Acte de Décès for the family here in France. Okay, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, at mag-comment po. Even our topic is about lactodice. Okay? And it's very expensive here in France if someone is dying because they don't share. In Philippines, we share. Here, they don't share at all. Only the husband who pays everything. Okay? OK. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. À demain. And for another question. Merci. Au revoir. Ciao.